i9 hubs are pretty easy to service. You can just pull the cassette right off. Free hub body stays attached. You can see we've got some old grease in here we're gonna get rid of.
I was sat up on the train, staring out the
On the free hub body, we're gonna pull out each of those pawls that engages with the hub. Get those nice and clean. These are pretty easy to pull out, but you can use a little tiny Allen key like I did to help you out. Just be careful not to damage the seal on the free hub body. Next, I'm pulling out the leaf springs using a pair of blunt-nosed electrical tweezers. These are a little trickier. The force of the spring kind of holds them in place, but getting each one of those out, getting those nice and clean. Leave everything in yesterday.
They asked about the Bible I was reading. Told them that the title was misleading. Labeled it Jerusalem, but really it's for cooking Middle East. And I could see that mine was changing with the seasons, shaded for a reason. They would start decreasing, leaving like the orange in the evening. It was creeping through the clouds, but now I'm proud to see the images releasing. I just wish the little lady could have seen them, but she was dreaming. Reckon she's standing with her mum, saying to her, look, mother, here's the sun. Once the mechanical components are out of the free hub body, you can get into all the little crevices with the microfiber towel and get all the old grease and grime out of the free hub body. Trying to get it done, yo. I wonder if she'd ever be as clever as her mum.
Born and raised, made attempts to crawl away, find a way to exist and hide your face. Some relate.
Getting that sucker nice and clean.
Born and raised, made attempts to crawl away, find a way to exist and hide your face. Some relate, leave everything in yesterday.
Sliding the leaf springs back into place in the free hub body.
Enough when the going is tough. I wait till
Replacing the pawls in the free hub body.
it's hearsay without the boundaries of love. My take is I wish there was a better way.
I got a lot of love, a lot of loose ends, a lot of people that I wish I knew then. Friends beckon every second you
And
spend.
now it's time for some new grease. We're going to use this Tech Pro free hub grease. Just take a dab and get the cavity between the leaf spring and the pawl filled with new grease.
I'm in disarray. I realize it's everybody else is still astray. I feel ashamed, I know there ain't no saving the way.
You can use a grease gun here if you don't want to create a big mess like I did. Just getting rid of the extra grease.
I'm supposed to say the same. Turn down these free drinks I couldn't even name, and that like all this money isn't fucking up my brain. I've been going insane.
Also going to hit the back of all the pawls with Tech free hub oil.
In the rain, try and find another person I can blame. Sat up on this plane, and yo, I'm praying up we don't crash. Cause every night I shiver at the sight when we go back. Cause every night could be my last, and yeah, I know that. So I crack a smile for it.
And go around and activate each of those pawls. Give the oil a chance to slip between that interface between the pawl and the free hub body. Getting rid of the extra oil and grease. Hitting the seal with the bead of that free hub oil. And I like to add the free hub grease to the drive side as well to make this guy a little quieter. Slide the cassette back in place. And we're good to go.
I got a lot of love, a lot of loose ends, a lot of people that I wish I knew then. Friends beckon every second you spend when wetting the pen, every letter you.
After a couple of rides, the grease will have settled in, and this cassette is now nice and smooth.
Been up in the Dragon Night to see my size, look me in my eyes.